Think your floors are clean? Wrong. I swabbed my clean floors and the lab results. Disgusting. But after testing 15 steam mops, I found 5 that actually kill 99.9% of germs without chemicals, and one of them heats up so fast, you'll be done before your coffee brews. Stick around, #4 surprised even me. Links in description, let's get steaming. Number 1. Bissell Steam Mop. Every Bissell purchase helps save pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Choose between high or low steam settings based on your cleaning needed. Heater warm-up time, 30 seconds. Cleaning path width, 12 inches. Sanitize your hard floors to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria without the use of harsh chemicals. When used as directed, does not include fragrance disc. PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop has an onboard spot boost brush to remove tough, sticky messes. Leave behind a refreshing spring breeze scent as you clean. Power rating, 12 ampere, power cord length, 25 feet. Power source, corded, automatic cord. Number 2. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. At under $100, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is only slightly cheaper than our best overall steam mop, but has more versatility with added attachments. It has large and small brushes, a nozzle, grout brush, scrape tool, steamer jet, squeegee, carpet glider, and 2 washable microfiber pads. As a steam mop, it can be used on hard floors and carpets. It can also be used as a handheld steamer to clean and unwrinkle fabric, sofas, and drapes. During testing, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop managed to tackle liquid and food stains, but not without a little more effort. The steam mop required a significant amount of swipes to remove mustard and more elbow grease for eggs. Substances like syrup and honey left the floor a little sticky. The maneuverability while mopping could also be improved. When turning corners and moving the mop around, there was some resistance, and it wasn't as smooth as other models tested. Number 3. Bissell 15441 PowerFresh Pet Liftoff Steam Mop. It should serve you well if you're mainly using it as a floor mop, but the real reason to buy the Bissell PowerFresh Pet Liftoff model is for all its attachments. It is equipped with nearly a dozen of them, including brushes, scrapers, and nozzles for various tasks. While marketed for pets, the tools are useful in animal-free homes, too. An all-round good cleaner, the PowerFresh Pet earned high marks on all our tests, doing the second best job on egg and mustard. It did leave some traces of sticky residue in our honey tests though. Like the PowerFresh Deluxe, the PowerFresh Pet comes with 2 reusable microfiber pads, a smooth one for everyday use and a textured one for tougher messes. Number 4. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is one of the most versatile steam mops. It features a canister design with 17 attachments for floors, windows, grout, and more. With the press of a button, it delivers powerful and consistent steam that cleans a variety of stains on different surfaces. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner performed well during most of the cleaning tests, taking as few as 1 to 2 swipes to get through different spills and debris. But when it came to egg and mustard, it took a few more swipes to clean. With honey and syrup, the floors left very little sticky residue after cleaning. Number 5. Tineco Floor 1S5 Steam Cleaner Wet-Dry Vacuum. Tineco makes some of the best wet-dry vacuums, and its model with steam, the Floor 1S5 Steam Smart Wet-Dry Vacuum merges the best qualities of a steam mop with the ease of a device that can tackle both liquid spills and dry debris. As a smart cleaning tool, it has an LED display that indicates how dirty and clean the floors are, turning red when the floor is dirty and turning blue when the floor is clean. The Tineco performed well during testing but took a few more swipes to clean mustard and egg. With syrup and honey, very little sticky residue was left after cleaning. It's only functional for floor cleaning, and doesn't come with any additional attachments. So, which of these cleaning beasts are you grabbing? Comment below. If this saved you from wasting money on weak mops, smash that like button, it helps more than you know. Want more no BS home gear reviews? Subscribe. Next week, I'm exposing fake deep clean gadgets. All purchase links are below. Stay clean, friends.